This armoire was converted into a TV cabinet from the people we purchased it from. We turned it back into an armoire, and there was a piece of wood in here that we took out that we didn't use. I'll show you what it looks like and show you what we're going to do with it. This piece of wood came out of it, and along with these legs and this cord organizer, I'm going to turn it into a little desk. It doesn't need any much work. It's just going to be sanding, staining, and a clear coat, and then screwing the legs on. I really like the color of this wood, but it needs some work. There are some spots in here. It's dinged up and scratched up, and these sides need work. So I'm not going to change the color too much. It's just going to be a light sand job, and then we're going to go over it with a dark walnut stain. And the first thing I gotta do is cut out a hole for the cord organizer. I'm just going to trace it, drill some pilot holes, and cut it out with the skill saw, or the jigsaw. I traced around this, got my circle. I'm going to drill some pilot holes to get my jigsaw blade in there. I'm going to sand it with 80 grit sandpaper with my palm sander. So we decided, it's hard to tell right now because it's all white and dusty, that we like it the way it looks. It's a nice weathered look. All we're gonna do is clean this off and put some polyacrylic on it to seal it up, and then screw the legs on. even though I won't be staining the surface, I'm going to stain these edges with the dark walnut. Three coats of this, and after each coat dries, I'll sand it with 320 grit sandpaper, wipe it off, and apply the next coat.